Pot roast, the way to transform inexpensive, tough cuts of meat into tender, succulent, and moist, amazing meals. The way you do it, put a heavy salt and pepper rub, preheat a Dutch oven over high, a couple tablespoons of oil, and put a solid sear. I'll do at least 5 minutes on each side. That's what's going to give you that Maillard reaction that develops the flavor compounds. You won't have it otherwise. While it's browning, potatoes, onions, carrots, peel them, cut them into about 1.5-inch chunks, and toss them with salt and pepper. Then arrange them around your pot roast in the Dutch oven. Put your fresh herbs and a sliced tomato on top so it'll baste in that liquid. Cover it 3 hours at 275 and it will be fall apart soft. To read the full recipe and see how I infuse the meat with garlic and create a gravy out of the pan sauce, check out MÄNNKITCHEN.com.